Hello, student. So in today class, yesterday I taught you everyone. That is what made a concept of buoyancy variety. Already I gave you few numerical. In today class, I'll discuss those numerical uh, which is related to concept of buoyancy. Right, my dear? So just wait for 5 minutes. Student, just wait for 5 minutes. Right? Then start your class as usual. So yesterday I said, my dear, what is the buoyancy force? I hope all of you remember. Tell me, even from all of you. Okay. So beta buoyancy force, my dear. So what was it? You can say buoyancy force is a kind of force which always acts on a body in what, my dear? In upward direction. What is to do it? In upward direction, right? Okay. So beta after this year, uh, let's say in today class, let's just have a look. I can say beta numerical, right? So this is students. I can say first numerical. Student easily I can say many of the student can connect, but I'll go through slowly, right? So beta have a look at the question first, my dear. Have a look, beta. Question first, my dear. Okay. So this is what two student, two cylindrical vessels of a equal cross section area, which is equals to what, my dear? 16 centimeters square. You can say, beta, this is the cross section area, also 16 centimeter square. This is also, my dear, 16 centimeters square. Contain up to height 100 centimeter. And beta what? 150 centimeters. You can take beta, one is 100 and another is what, my dear? 150 centimeter respectively. And the vessels are interconnected so that the water levels in them becomes equal. Okay, it's understood beta because there is a pressure difference. So water will flow. I can see in these two arms in those two vessels. Just if I'm a student, into vessels until I can say just equate the what you can say pressure difference will be equal. So work done by the force. Okay. Work done by the force of gravity. God bless you for your reaction. Work done by the force of gravity during the process is okay. Beta, we used to find work done. We used to find what beta ji? This is what I can say work done. So beta ji, for this condition here, how can you do these questions? You know, beta, what they ask in the questions? Work done. What here? Work done by the force of gravity, right? So everyone must remember what is the work done due to gravity. I hope all of you remember already, right, beta? So what you can say for this condition, work done due to gravity, which is what, my dear? So now let's have a solution, student, right? So students, you can say work done due to gravity. I hope all of you remember. Beta, God bless you for your reaction. This is what, which is mgh. What beta ji? This is what you can say basically mgh. Okay, fine. So beta, there is also here. This is a diagram beta already mentioned over here. There is one more diagram idea. So what is the next diagram beta for solution diagram? You can beta think like that. Means they already mentioned the question itself. Student, this is already mentioned in question itself, my dear. Right. Yes, beta. So students, I can say this is the beta final you can take a consideration. Yes, beta ji. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. Okay, fine. Beta, this is initial situation, student. Finally, they mention beta. Finally, student, they mentions. Finally, beta, this is the final. I can say beta. You can see just once level of water will become equal. So this is beta height they mentioned. That is right. But initially, you know everyone. Beta. So this height beta, what they mention? Itself beta they mention the question itself here. So keep in your mind. Uh, this is dear h1 plus h2 by 2. This is what, my dear? H1 plus h2 by 2. Already mentioned in the question itself. So beta here, first we have to find, because you know what is, we have to find work done due to gravity. What was the work done due to gravity? So beta work done due to gravity, what you can write, this is, bacha, tell me everyone, because I'll use your concept of mass. Mass is what, my dear? Beta, God bless you for your reaction. Mass, beta, ji, this is what? You can say density into volume. Right, beta? Okay. Beta, ji, volume, what you can write? This is what? Area into height. Samriddhi Gupta. Oh, hello, beta. How are you? This is beta. Rho AH. This is what, my dear? Rho AH. Right, beta? Okay. So, beta, here we wish to find H here. Here, beta, we wish to find H. So, now, beta, you can say a mass is equals to, this is rho, beta, ji. This is A. And H is what, beta? This is what? H1 minus H1. This is height, basically. H1 plus H2 by 2. H1 plus what, beta? H2 by 2. Right. Here just I'm finding mass, beta. Just keep in mind. This is mass calculation. Now beta, further just beta LCM students. So this is mass, you can write rho A twice of H1 minus H1 plus beta H2. Beta, in fact, you can also say minus over here. Upper beta 2 only. So mass finally beta we got. This is what? Rho A into beta 2H1 minus H1 beta. Remains H1 only. So H1 minus H2 by 2. This is when you got value of mass. This is what beta? Value of mass, right? Okay. Now, bacha, we wish to find basically what? Work done due to gravity. Work done due to gravity. Okay. So, beta, again here, I'll feed over. Let us suppose. Student, equation number one. Beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. Sir, I have my music board exam tomorrow. Okay. Then how can I help you, my dear? For music? Now beta. So here, bacha, just I'll beta feed this value, bacha, in this equation number one, my dear. So this is student M already I found rho A beta g H1 minus H2 by 2. This is mass beta. G remains constant. Right. What is H value here? What is value of H? Beta value of H nothing beta. Right. Value of H beta what you can see this is the beta. I can see final height. Right. So students you can write here value of H is equals to beta. This is what H1 minus beta g H1 plus H2 by 2. So H beta remains you will get same beta. H1 minus H2 by 2. Beta you can fit this value over here. So we can say, bacha, this is H1 minus H2 by 2. Finally, beta, work done will get. In this question, you can remember as a result, my dear. Right, my dear? So this is what student? You can say rho A G beta G. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. H1 minus H2 by 2 beta G. You can say entire whole square. Beta, all data mentioned for us. Rho is what? Density of water, bacha. Beta, what you can see? Density of water. Area, beta, mention. This is what, my dear? 16 centimeter square. Beta, H1, H2, yeah, you can take any of the one, like H1, any of the H2, bacha, because you know, this entire whole square, beta. This is what, my dear? Entire whole square, right? So, bacha, density, beta, just you can feed value, bacha, party here. 10 to the power cube beta. Area what, my dear? This is 16 into 10 to the power minus 4. Into beta what you can say? This is G bacha. Beta you can see this is finally finished. Beta we have only 16. H1 minus H2 beta. So what you can say 150 minus 100. Yeah. So which is what 50. 50 by 2 beta whole square. Beta G you can say 50 by 2 whole square beta. So this is bacha further you can say 16 into what? 2500 by 4. 16 into what, bacha? You can say, my dear, 16. Maybe visual for you, bacha, everyone. I have a question. Beta, please send question over here, my dear. Beta, you have just send question over here only, beta. I'll help you, my dear. Beta, 16 into, my dear, this is 2500 by beta, 4. Bacha, I can say 4 for the 16. Beta, what you can say? 4 4 ja 16, right? 4 bacha ji. Beta, this is again here. Again will get 10 to the power minus 4. So beta, this is what? Multiply by beta 10 to the minus 4 bacha. So finally you will get what? 1 joule. Hence beta options B. Beta, these questions came in here. I can see my dear. This is J2022. What is its formula? Students, I can say basically, beta, I can see you join now. I started with this question explanation once live was started, right? So, student, I can see there are two columns. In this column beta, I can see beta, God bless you for direction, my dear. In this column beta, this is what? H1 height. This is beta water field. In S2 beta, this is height of, I can see in column number 2, right, my dear? Then, bacha, these two are interconnected to each other. Then, beta, we have to find work done due to gravity becomes beta what? So that water level becomes equal. So, beta, I explain beta these questions like this. Okay, fine. Student, take snapshot here. Just make notes with me. Then you will enjoy the class. You can understand the class as well, my dear. Okay. Now, students, I'm going to start here. That is the next numerical. Beta, this is today class. I'll do those questions, which is you can say in which we will apply what beta concept of buoyancy. So this is beta. I can see questions number 2 for today class. This question beta asked in J2020, right? Consider a solid sphere of radius r. Okay, sphere. Literally, it's a very good question. In this question, I'll apply entire concept of you can say basic concept of center of mass and rotation, my dear. Again, here I'm repeating my dear questions. Uh, Consider a solid sphere of radius r and mass density, that is what rho as a function of r beta mentioned, 1 minus r square by r. There is beta, I can say r is what? 0 less than r and less than equal to beta capital R. The minimum density of a liquid in which it will float. Beta, just do one line beta this point. It will float. Right. Okay. So beta, just have a look everyone here. How this is. Students, I can say for solution of this question, beta, I'll go a little slow. It's a bit a literally good question because here I'll apply multiple concept, my dear. So what is the question basically? Try to understand first questions. You can see beta, this is what solid sphere. Student, this is what solid sphere, right? Student, R is what? Beta, you can say radius. R is what, my dear? Radius of a sphere. Okay. Beta, in this question, what says? Basically, beta, you can just think like that. Density, mass is a variable, beta, with respect to what? You can say radius. So, beta, for this condition here, you can do one thing. You have to move R. Student, you have to move R because it's, beta, I can say entire solid sphere. Then, beta, you can take the small strip of solid sphere. Student, you have to move R and take small strip of solid sphere. Right, beta? You have to just move r beta and take a small strip of solid sphere. Okay, fine, my dear. Beta, this entire setup in liquid air. What beta? Entire setup beta, what I can say, liquid only. So beta, first you can write what is the elemental mass. What is the beta? Elemental mass. So student, you can say elemental mass, right? Which is nothing but beta. What you can see, this is what dm. This is what, my dear? dm. So beta, here again I'll use beta a simple concept of mass is what beta g? This is density into beta g volume. Right, my dear? So beta, this is what? dm mass because we are doing operation for a small element. Right, bacha? So you can tell, my dear, this is what? Rho. And beta, what is the volume of the sphere here? You can say rho beta already mentioned. Rho is a function of r. So you can feed beta for dm case. Rho as a function of r. And volume beta, you can write, my dear, area into length. So what is area of a sphere? 4 pi r square into dr. What you can say 4 pi r square into dr beta. So here you can write with the elemental mass. Rho into what's here? This is 4 pi r square into dr. Rho bacha, you can feed value beta from here because rho already mentioned in question, my dear. You can say beta, this is what dm is equals to 1 minus beta the r square upon r square into beta. Hello, Bhuman. How are you, my dear? This is beta 4 pi square into dr. Bhuvan, beta, I'm very happy to see you, bacha, because you are joining live session, beta 11th also and 12th also. Hats off, beta, for your interest and dedication, woman. Really, beta, I'm feeling proud of you, my dear. So, beta, we used to find mass, bacha. Beta, what we used to find? Mass. Beta, integrate both side, beta ji. Integrate bacha party both side. Beta, here you can apply the limit, beta. 0 to capital R, beta. It's the maximum limit. Beta, this is what? Integration of beta mass only. So, this is what? Beta, you can say. I'll beta write once more time here. This is just beta, open the bracket, my dear. This is 1. Beta 4 pi, you can take beta common idea, right? Into beta, this is what? In fact, if something is missing over there, there is mention in the question beta. This is rho naught. So rho naught beta 4 pi, you can take it out. 0 to r, my dear. This is r square dr. Then bacha ji minus. Keep in mind, this is beta in common here. Integration 0 to r bacha remains, you can say this is what? R to the power 4 by r into dr. Woman, sir, I'm just usually come to this live. I'm not touching class 11 now on board. Yes, yes, very good, very good. I can see that there is many candidates joined from other state. But it's a very golden opportunity. I can say she's a girl. I can say beta actually says my neighbor, but currently she is in Delhi. So beta she used to join live classes, because she told sir I don't have a time. I don't have a time to just revise the 11th class for myself. So, sir, I'll join your 11, live session every day. So, I can say maximum students are coming for revision classes. Or this also, but I know I'm just working, I'm just arranging live session according to student expectation. Woman beta, for Saturday beta in the evening, 7 o'clock, I'll come and I'll teach that is beta oscillation. One student demanded, one student basically commented, I can say, one student commented, I can say, and there is, I can say, under any video, I don't know, he wanted class on oscillation. So on Saturday, my dear, beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. Aryan Misa, okay. How are you, bacha? Hello, sir. This is okay. B65. Hello, beta. How are you? Sir, when will you continue electrostatic? Beta, same timing. 12 o'clock, beta. Aryan Misra, I'll continue electricity beta 12 o'clock. B65, it's a very good question. B65, it's a literally very good question, bacha. I'm very happy to see my dear everyone. Right, beta. It's a very good question here. Okay, fine. Very good, beta. I can say B65. So beta, this is beta, DM bacha party. This beta integrate both side, my dear. So beta, this is beta, rho naught beta 4 pi, it's common bacha party. Then beta, you can say, I hope everyone remember here, basic formula of integration. X to the power n into dx. What beta? X to the power n plus 1. Beta the n plus 1. I joined just now. Okay. Then I also started beta. Just I explained one question, beta. Beta, this is the second question, beta. Stay in the live, beta. You will get benefit. You will get benefit, beta. So, beta, just integrate, beta. So, dm beta because m only. dm beta mass m only, beta. You can take my dear rho naught into 4 pi. It's common, beta. So, what is the beta integration? You can say, beta. This is r is r cube by 3 beta, limit 0 to r. Sir, I can't able to manage class 11 now as class 12 is disturbing me. So I thought after board I'll touch it. That is very nice. Woman beta, very nice beta. Okay, beta now, beta this is what? Beta r to the power 5 beta, you can say r to the power 5 beta. This is rs per my dear. This is rs per beta. So r to the power 5 beta party, this is what? You can say 5 rs square. Beta, here again, yeah, I'll put the limit beta. So this is I'll write beta one more step. So what beta rho naught beta 4 pi into beta this is r cube by 3 minus beta r to the power 5 upon 5 r square. You can take beta, this is cancel each other. So finally beta, you can write equation of mass beta. Hello student. Arin Misra, sir, can you upload those topics, those which are not in JMIN, in advanced, like inclined plane? Ah, yes. Currently, beta, this I'm doing for beta mains only, right? In the classroom, Arin, I'll tell beta which topic are you teaching. Beta, Divya, this is the beta. Today is the problem session class. Divya, beta, today is the problem session class, beta, for buoyancy, fluid beta statics. So, RN bacha in class, I'll tell bacha which topic I can say not for mains and not for advanced bacha. Currently, bacha, just I'm focusing, I'm trying to connect here because I just newly started bacha to each and all candidate, right, beta? So now, bacha, I'll tell bacha. I'll just make sure. Maybe one video uploaded beta. I can say, Aryan, go and beta watch entire video on my channel. Last year beta one video already I uploaded. There is mention which topic you have to do for mains and which topic you have no need to do for mains. Right. So beta already I uploaded one video beta. You can go and watch. Okay. Now beta just beta I wanted to continue beta same numerical only. Yeah. So beta what mass beta party? Mass beta what you can say? This is rho naught beta g 4 pi. This is beta you can say r cube by 3 minus beta r cube by 5. Beta just take beta LCM here. 3 5 the 15. So you can say my dear rho naught beta 4 pi beta this is what beta 15. So this is what my dear 5 r cube minus beta g 3 r cube. So you can see, bacha, this is rho naught 4 pi. Beta, this is 2 r cube by 15. This is beta mass we got here. This is beta we got mass bacha party, right? Okay. Beta, once we got mass here, no, what we wish to find basically. Beta, we wish to find what is the beta density of liquid. So beta simply beta, I can apply here. This is I can say beta step one which I did. Now beta in last step for this question beta ji. This is my dear last step beta ji. Sir, take paid. Yes beta. Divya already started beta. That's why I give it Divya my contact number of Felix Point landline number. Right, Divya. I wanted maybe you don't know. Maybe I didn't share with you. So Divya, I wanted to share with you, bacha. Paid class has started, bacha. That is, I can do one-to-one classes, Google Meet, beta. Because some student already joined from Delhi. I wanted to share with you, bacha, but I don't know where it is. Hmm. Maybe beta forget it there, right? Paid class has started beta already. Few student beta already joined from I can say Delhi location, bacha, for online classes. Beta paid classes already has started for mains candidate. Okay. Now, bacha. Beta, so what beta? You can write bacha for in step two, bacha. This is mass is equals to beta rho into volume. Rho into beta what we can say volume. So beta this is what I can say beta sphere. So beta what is you can say beta mass beta ji tell me this is rho beta ji. So mass beta we already got here. This is the mass. Now beta ji. So you can say mass beta ji. This is rho naught 4 pi. This is beta ji 2 r cube by 15. Then bacha what you can say density into volume here. Density into volume bacha. So you can say this is what density of liquid. Beta, what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Just do beta. This is the last beta calculation. Beta, this is 4 pi cancel, r cube cancel, 3, 5 the 15. So you will get beta density of liquid beta. This is bacha ji 2 rho naught by 5. Any option is where beta? Divya? Yes, beta. Option A is correct. Yes, beta. Option A is correct. So literally, it's a very good question. I just yeah, beta, I'm going to give you everyone once beta more like recap of this question. What question says here? You can say there is a sphere. Beta in the sphere, beta density is varying rho naught 1 minus r square by r square beta, right? which I can say. Now, beta, just go through this. We have to find density of liquid, beta. So for a sphere, you have to move R and take element here. Beta, find mass, which is what? Elemental mass, dm, beta. Mass is what? Density to volume. Density, beta, 4 pi r square into dr, beta. This is dm, beta. Rho naught, beta, party already mentioned here. 1 minus r square by r square. 4, beta. This is what? What is the area of a sphere? 4 pi r square into dr, beta. Right? Then beta what you can see dm beta just finally feed entire value beta just integrate my dear, right? Finally beta you will get mass. Beta B is to find density of liquid. So what beta I can say mass into density of liquid into volume beta. What's the volume beta? Because this entire sphere beta what you can say beta part A in the liquid bacha. So this is beta. What's the area of a sphere? Beta volume of a sphere 4 by 3 r pi r cube bacha. We can replace my dear. You will get density of liquid is what 2 rho naught by 5. 2 rho naught by 5. So that is question asked in JE 202 bacha. Okay beta. God bless you for your reaction my dear. Yes beta. Maybe beta. Maybe bacha. Beta possibility is there. Okay beta. Next question here. So beta, what's the next question? Beta, this is beta questions asked by J in 2019. Beta, a cubical block of side zero point 0.5 meter floats on the water with 30% of its volume underwater. What is the maximum weight that can be put on the block without fully submerging in underwater? Beta, density of water, beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. Density of water beta 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Beta, just we have to just go through this question here. Again, beta, it's not tough, but little yeah, I can say kinds of tricky or calculated question, beta. Beta, it's literally easy question here. It's not tough. Beta, what is the question says initially here? Just go through this first. Beta, cubical block. Beta, you can take this is what you have an ice cube or even any beta. This is a cubical block made of any material. It's not metal. Bacha, you can say this is what beta side is mentioned. Side of Q beta, this is mentioned here. Beta, I'm considering beta in one phase. So students, you can say beta G for this condition. This is what beta liquid. This is what beta is liquid. Which is beta under the water here. They already mentioned under the water beta. How much here? This is 30%. This is what, my dear? 30%. Right. So, beta, and what say this is, I can say, beta, case one for this question. Case one for this question. So, beta, I can say for this condition here, that is what? System remains in equilibrium. If system is in equilibrium, my dear, sir, will you shut down tomorrow? Tomorrow only. Then, beta, I can say, beta, initial condition here. System beta on floating condition, beta. At equilibrium beta, you can write that is what at equilibrium, my dear, you can say this is weight is equals to what beta? Buoyancy force. You can make beta ABD bacha. Right. So this is the buoyancy force beta. You can say this is what? mg. Okay. Then bacha, you can say my dear, this is what? Weight. Buoyancy bacha. Rho Vg. V is what, bacha? This is what? 30% bacha for entire volume. So V into beta you can multiply by 30 by 100 into beta G. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. This is what? Equations number one. This is what, my dear? Equations number one. What says beta next questions? This is case 2 beta G. Case 2 beta. You can say this is the same cube same ice cube bacha or anything. But here you wanted to put another, you can say, beta, this is another, you can say block. Let us suppose this is M1. This is M1 beta. Wait, beta means I'll take M1G. Now, beta, I can see now system is in equilibrium. Now, beta, what you can say system is in equilibrium. So here, beta, you can take both block as a common system. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. Both block as a common system, beta. So you can see, my dear, this is the basically buoyancy force. Here, beta, you can say this is M1 plus M2 into G. M1 plus beta what? M2 into G. Simple beta, just equate here at equilibrium. Beta, at the condition of equilibrium, student, you can equate simply. So what beta you can say? M1 plus M2 into G is equals to beta. This is remains here rho Vg, right beta? Because liquid remains same here. So M1 you can write beta G here. M1G plus beta G, M2G is equals to rho Vg. M1G beta you can see beta. This is what my dear? This is basically M1G. Beta can feed value this over here, bacha. So what you can say M1G rho V 3 by 10 into G plus beta G. This is M2 into G is equals to rho Vg. You can take beta G cancel everywhere. So this is what my dear, you can say M2 is equals to rho V minus 3 rho V by chain. Just beta take LCM बच्चे बड़ी. So M2 beta I can say this is 10 minus 3 बच्चा. What? 7 rho V upon chain. Done बच्चा body? Okay. Rho beta what? Density of water. Mention बच्चा. I can put beta. So 7 beta this is 10 to the power 3. What is the volume of Q बच्चा? This is what? Side Q बच्चा. So I can say what's the unit beta? 0.5. So no need to conversion बच्चा. You can say this is basically 0.125. Upper beta, this is what you can say 10 here. So this 10 finish. Anyone from all of you beta, please? So your teaching skills are too good. Beta, God bless you, Divya. Beta, Divya, very happy to see for your appreciation, bacha. Divya, beta, just you joined yesterday night, but I can say literally you have a potential to just recognize the things, what's the wrong and right. The beta study already I said, my dear, because of this teaching skills beta, beta, I can say my one candidate already I said, my dear, secured 100 percentile beta in JE mains, and beta finally he got college beta electronic communication engineering IIT Roorkee, right? So beta, just imagine yesterday night beta, Divya, someone was asking around you can say 2 or 3 o'clock. Sir, why you are taking so late classes? Because daytime the beta I was too busy with present institute. So due to this beta just beta I can say beta got delay uh, to start. Yes, beta yesterday night beta some student was asking Divya around 2:30 or 2:28. Sir, why you are taking classes so night? Because entire day I was busy in the present institute. Sir. So I wanted to help Pan India. Yeah. I want to connect myself each and everyone. There is no partiality at all. So because this is the things how I wrote everything, explain beta. Finally, beta, what is the beta? What is marketing bacha beta? Beta, this is what will come bacha. Dipya, tell me beta. Anyone from all of you beta? Just calculate beta. Anyone? Anyone beta? We calculate bacha. Just tell me beta. What is answer? Beta, what is answer bacha? Take beta. Just calculate anyone. Anyone beta? Just please do fast. Dipya beta. Okay, very good. Correct, Divya Vichya. This is beta 87.5 kilo. Divya, check beta. Is there any option beta? Divya beta, any option is there? 46.3, 30.1, 87.5, and beta 60 point. Yes, correct beta Divya. We got beta option. Option number third beta. Option number third beta. So beta, this question asked by J 2019. I can say bacha, yes, beta, Devin, correct, beta. So I can say, beta, old question literally good here. It's a conceptually strong beta questions. Now, beta, have a look next question, bacha. But everyone, beta, this question again here. Ask beta in what? JE 2019. Ask beta what question? Beta JE 2019. Right. So bacha party, I can say for this condition, What which I can say for this condition? What's the question? A submarine experiences a pressure of 5.05 10 to the power 6 Pascal at a depth of what? D1 in SG. Okay. When it goes further to a depth of D2, it experiences a pressure of 8.02 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Then D1 minus D2 is approximately. Okay, we have to find out a D1 minus D2. Very good. Okay, option C, Divya. Okay, beta. I'll see beta. I'll see beta. Very good, beta, Divya. Beta, you are too active, my dear. So, beta, for this condition here, what is the things, beta, which we can understand? Everyone, very good. Attention, beta, on beta. Look, beta solution, my dear. Beta, what's questions here? You can say this is beta. You can say top level of water surface. Beta, initially, beta, you are here. I don't know what height. Let us suppose I'm calling beta, this height is h, right? Beta, this is point A. This point A, my dear, there is beta, pressure is mentioned 5.05 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Right, bacha? Okay. Then, beta, you can see another things here. Beta, what you can say, beta, this is S not beta. You can see this is what, my dear, D1. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. This is beta, S is beta, D1 only. Then, beta, what says in the same beta equation diagram, there is nothing beta, something different. You can take but dear, this is what point B. And this point B beta from here, this is what you can say G2. This is what, my dear, you can say basically D2. You can say beta what? This is what? Basically D2. Then beta what's in the questions? Beta pressure difference. Beta D1 minus D2 is approximately. So this is point B beta. So beta simply we can write what is the pressure at A. So beta here I can this is beta open to atmosphere beta G. So I'll write beta pressure P naught plus beta this is the pressure due to beta liquid. So this is nothing beta. What you can say rho G into beta G D1. Beta what you can say rho G into D1. PA beta already mentioned here 5.05. PV beta how much? 8.08. Student 10 to the power 16 Pascal. Right beta? So this is PA beta buddy. What about PV beta? What you can write? This is P naught plus beta. Under the water, beta, pressure due to liquid increases, my dear. Beta, you will go beta in downward direction, beta, so pressure will increase. So if you will go in beta upward direction, pressure beta decrease only. So beta, you are going beta down, beta, so pressure release beta will increase only. You can say rho G into beta D2. Then just subtract beta these two. Beta subtract, my dear. You can see this is cancel each other. You can write, my dear, PA minus PV. Beta, you can take beta rho G common. This is what, my dear? D1 minus D2. PA minus PV beta already mentioned here. So PA beta how much? Till my dear everyone, this is I can see it as step one here, which I explained. Now, student, I'm going to continue dear. This is what step two beta g, right? So, what is the pressure at A beta? You can beta feed the value. Beta, we got equations. Let us suppose this is what equations number one beta g. Everything beta known for us. PA known beta, PB known, density, everything beta. But we'll get a D1 minus D2 from here only. So PA beta what? This is you can say, my dear. This is beta. You can say 5.05 beta. I'm taking out here 10 to the power 6 minus beta g 8.08 into beta g 10 to the power 6, which is equals to beta. You can say rho G beta G D1 minus D2, my dear. Rho G beta what? D1 minus D2 beta. 5.05 minus D2 beta. What we can say? This is what? 3.03. Am I correct, my dear? Everyone? Just confirm me here. 3.03. Then beta what you can say? Into beta G 10 to the power 6. Right, beta? Density of beta, you can liquid here. Beta, you can take 1000 beta. Already mentioned also. This is what? 10 to the power 3 beta. G beta already mentions 10 beta. So you can say this is what? 3 plus 1. Into beta, you can say D1 beta in minus here. Beta, this is in minus beta, but keep it in mind. D1 minus D2 beta. This is what? 10 to the power 4 beta cancel. Beta, what we can see? So beta, what you can see? 303 bacha. Beta, what you will get, bacha? This is what basically minus 303 is equals to D1 minus D2. But my all dear student, they didn't ask D1 minus D2. What they asked, my dear? They asked basically D2 minus D1. So what is your answer, my dear? D2 minus D1 is 303. But you can see, beta, there is no option at all. But beta, you can tell options number A, we can take here approximate answer according to our calculations. So, my dear, your options beta, I can say this is what, my dear, your option beta is the America is correct. America is correct, beta. Okay, Divya wrote something. Uh, okay. Uh, uh, go. I have physics. Okay, go, Divya, beta, go, beta, and God bless you. All the very best, beta. All the very best. I'll always, beta, I'm here to help you, everyone, beta. Go, beta, and just prepare yourself, beta, Divya. God bless you, beta. All the very best for your tomorrow exam. Go, beta. Now, beta, so, but, beta, this is question, beta, fourth done. Now, beta, have a look next question here. Beta, have a look, beta, next questions. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. Beta, this is, beta, questions number five. Beta, they asked beta this question is what JE 2021. Yes, beta. It's a good question. Yeah, literally good question. Now, beta, have a look, beta. This is beta JE 2021 beta G. So, beta, what's the question here? The pressure acting on submarine is 3 into 10 to the power 5. Hello, student. What's your name? Can you write? God plan M2J. That's so that I can call you beta. The pressure acting on a submarine is 3 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal at a certain depth. Okay. Okay, beta. At certain depth, beta, this is a basically pressure. If the depth is double, okay, fine. You can see, you can take beta initially is x. Next beta is what? You can say 2x. Beta, if the depth is double, the percentage increases in pressure during a submarine would be right. Okay, beta, there is any beta atmospheric pressure you can take beta 10 to the power 5. Density of water beta, this is what 10 to the power 3. G beta 10 meter per second square. Beta, have a look everyone beta. So this is students, I can say for have a look beta solution everyone. What's this beta? You can do diagram according to beta question, my dear. We'll get answer in this question. I mean 12th pass. Okay, very good. Beta, beta, which competition are you preparing? JE or NEET? But initially, beta, I can say, beta, this is what height h. You can take beta. This is what height beta. I'm considering this is h beta. At height h beta, this is the pressure mentioned. But how much? 3 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Beta, we have to find height beta from here only. Right, beta? Beta height beta, what you can say? Beta, this is, let us suppose I'm calling beta point A. So, student, you can say at point A is nothing but P naught plus beta G rho GS. Simple, bacha. PA beta already we know. Beta, this is, you can write my dear 3 into 10 to the power 5. P naught bachcha already mentions here 10 to the power 5. Beta density of water we can take beta 10 to the power 3 into beta G 10 here. We can get H beta. So this is what my dear. You can say 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Beta 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. Right beta? Okay. So bachcha you can see beta for this condition here. 10 to the power 4 beta cancel everywhere. All of you agree? All of you agree, my dear? Okay. Bacha, you can write, my dear. This is what? 30 minus beta g. This is what? Then, bacha, is equals to h beta. You will get yeah, h from here. This is beta z 20 meter. This is what, my dear? 20 meter. Okay. Fine, dear. This is the h beta we got. At what? I can see this pressure. Then beta, what the questions? Depth is twice. Then we have to find beta pressure first. Uh, you need to time. Okay. Hmm. Then beta, this is beta. I can see step one, my dear. Beta, what about I can say beta the step two, right? Beta ji, I can say for step two, beta, what's in the questions? Height becomes beta twice. Beta, what? You can say height becomes twice. This is 2h beta. So beta, we have to find this pressure, my dear, right? So beta, what is the, let us suppose I'm calling beta point B. So you have to find, my dear, pressure at point B. This is P naught plus beta 2 rho GH. Beta, what you can say pressure beta 2 rho GH, right, my dear? Okay, beta H beta mention for this beta how much? 20. So you can see beta pressure at point B beta P naught beta you can take 10 to the power 5, my dear, twice into beta. This is what? 10 to the power 3 into beta. This is what? Beta you can see G beta and H beta what? This is 20 meter. So you can write, my dear, this is pressure at point B. 10 to the power 5 beta. This is what? Yeah, you can say 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5 into beta 4. So you can write beta ji. This is beta. You can take beta common 10 to the power 5 here. So 4 into what beta? 4 into what? You can say this is what beta ji? 2 to the 4 here. 4 into what? 10 to the power 5 and plus 1 beta. So this is, you can say finally, beta I can take common first here. 10 to the power 5, my dear. 4 plus 1. So finally we'll get a pressure at point B. 5 into beta 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. 5 into what beta? 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Uh, now beta, this is the pressure point B only. Beta, we got what? Pressure at point B only. I don't know beta. B65. Now beta, this is beta. Point B beta. Bacha. Hello student Harshit. How are you beta? This is point B bacha, right? So beta BB is to find step 1 to bacha. This is beta. I'm going to calculate step 3 beta because they ask what change in pressure. So beta, what is the change in pressure bacha? Beta answer we have to write in form of beta percentage. So delta P beta percentage you can write beta G P final minus P initial upon beta P initial into beta G 100, right? So whatever, what is P final here? 5 into 10 to the power 5 beta G. 5 into 10 to the power 5 minus beta. What is P initial bacha? This is 3 into 10 to the power 5 upon beta phasor initial here. So this is what, my dear? 3 into 10 to the power 5 into beta what you can say? Multiply by 100. So beta you can say you can take beta 10 to the power 5 common beta from numerator. You can say cancel. So 5 minus 3 beta. What you can say? 2. 2 by 3 beta. So you can say 2 by 3 into 100 beta. God bless you beta for your reaction. 2 by 3 beta into 100 here. Beta, this is percentage. Beta, which option is correct? Beta, option Bombay is correct, my dear. Beta, option Bombay is correct, my dear. Okay, now beta, this is literally a very good questions. 2019, I can say beta, just leave beta 2025, 2024. Something you can get good question in 2023, but you have to do more practice 2022 to 2012. Will help you a lot. Will help you a lot, beta. So it's a good question. Again, Vatsya. Yes, beta. Yes, very good. Beta, God bless you everyone here. Till now, we are staying in live session, beta. I'm very happy to see everyone here of your interest and dedication here. It's beta appreciable. Now, beta, this is what? Beta, this question asked in J2020. What, my dear? J2020. Beta, a hollow spherical cell at a outer radius R floats just submerged under water surface. The inner radius of the cell is R if the specific gravity of the cell material, okay, beta what? This is 27 upon 8 beta. Specific gravity beta what? 27 upon 8, my dear. Okay, with respect to water, the value of R is what, my dear? The value of R is okay. Beta R in terms beta small r we can write. beta ji, for this question here, how can we do? Beta, I'll go slowly here so that beta, in this live session here, you can easily understand everyone because you are giving time, bacha, right? So beta, just listen beta carefully this question here. It's a very good question, beta ji. So in solution, beta, just first we have to make diagram here. My dear, first beta, we have to make diagram. Beta, you can take this is what beta hollow cell, right, my dear? Okay. What's the beta radius is mentioned, my dear? This is what basically capital R. Student, there is beta small. You can say this is small r, right, beta? This is beta. You can say inner cell. Beta J. This is what, my dear, inner cell. Beta, this I can say beta. This is what floating on the what beta the surface of water. Beta, this is what, my dear, floating student on the surface of water. Okay, fine. Then beta, we have to find this value of R. Very simple here. Beta, condition of float beta. You can say what system is in equilibrium. You can tell, my dear, what system is in equilibrium. If system is in equilibrium, beta J, at equilibrium, beta G at equilibrium. What beta? You can say buoyancy force. Beta, you can make ABD bacha. You have to beta make ABD bacha. You can say FAB, buoyancy force acting in upward direction, my dear. And this is what beta you can say mg force. That's all. Okay. So beta buoyancy force is equals to what beta G? You can say this is the basically mg. This is basically mg. Now, beta, you can see what is buoyancy force here. You can write rho vg is equals to beta. This is what you can say, bacha ji, mg. Beta, beta, buoyancy acting, or I can say beta, entire outer part of the water sphere, bacha. So, beta, for this volume, you can take beta. This is what 4 by 3 pi r cube. And beta, for mass volume, what we can say 4 by 3 pi r capital Q minus a small q, my dear. This is beta, a good point beta over here. That God bless you, beta. Okay, Sagar. Oh, how are you, beta? My dear, how are you? Sagar, beta. So, beta, this is beta. Rho, bacha. Rho, beta, what you can see? Beta, this is beta density of liquid, beta. So, this is what, my dear? This is density of water. Yes, 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 yes. Density of water vapor party. Okay, very good, Sagar beta. I'm very happy to see, my dear. Your reply, beta. This is volume beta. Beta Sagar beta. Beta buoyancy beta will act. Beta what you can say entire surface of beta hollow sphere. Right, my dear. So beta for buoyancy force beta, you can take beta volume what only beta sphere, not for cavity as well, or you can say inner part as well beta. So 4 by 3 pi r beta Sagar beta pi r q into bacha what you can say this is what g beta mass yes beta for mass you can write beta density into volume. So beta what you can say this is beta density of beta you can take care of the there is something mentioned or not. You can take beta this is what density bacha party density of material bacha. You can take this is what density of material. Yes, beta ji. Into beta, what is the volume here? 4 by 3 pi. Beta ji, capital R cube minus R cube. Into beta ji. Listen beta carefully here. Listen beta carefully, my dear. You can tell, my dear, sir, this is what? Basically, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Beta ji, you can say this G cancel, bacha. Beta, very interesting point here. They mentioned, beta, specific gravity. Beta, specific gravity is what, beta? This is what? 27 by 8. So, beta, here you can use here. What is specific gravity? Density of material upon beta density of water. So, you can write, my dear, density of beta material is what? 27 by 8 into density of water. I hope all of you agree. Beta, all of you agree here. Beta, I'll use, my dear, this result, beta, here only, beta. Right, beta? So, this is what here? You can say density of water into beta this is RQ is equals to beta. I'll use beta this result beta. I'm using beta this one density of material 27 by 8 into beta density of water into beta this is RQ minus RQ. RQ minus RQ beta. You can see beta this is and this is cancelled. Beta, what you can see, this is and this is beta ji cancel. Okay, fine beta. Then beta what you can say? Beta just beta do cross multiply my dear. I'll beta calculate here further here. So this is beta I can say entire thing beta. This is step one. This is step two beta. This is my dear step three. So what is step three beta? You can say beta just do cross multiply beta. Everyone, please student, very happy to see everyone here in the live session beta party. All of you, God bless. Beta stay happy beta, stay calm, do hard work. Beta, this is 8 RQ बच्चा जी is equals to beta. This is 27 बच्चा बटे RQ minus RQ. बच्चा we used to find relation here. Beta, just open the bracket, my dear. This is 8 R beta जी minus 27 RQ is equals to minus 27 RQ beta. So you can see बच्चा this is what 19 beta minus sir, tomorrow is my JEE main. Oh, very good, very good. Beta, very happy to see, bacha. I can see tomorrow you are going to write beta exam of JEE mains. Beta, so you know what is suggestion beta for you. Beta, give me second beta. I'll guide you. Beta, give me beta 2 minutes beta. I'll beta finish this one work bacha. Then I'll guide you bacha for tomorrow exam. 19 RQ bacha. This is minus beta 27 RQ. Beta, God bless you, my dear, for your reaction. Cancel bacha party. You can write, my dear, this is what R is equals to what beta? 19 by 27 to the power beta 1 by 3 into R. Beta, just do beta cube root. You will get beta R is what beta? 8 upon 9 times of R. Any option is there, my dear? Any option is there, my dear? Okay, yes, beta. This is option first. I'll repeat again here. This is a good question. Listen to me carefully here. What question is a hollow spherical sail at the outer radius beta r floats just submerged under the water surface. The inner radius of the sail is r. If the specific gravity of the sail is 27 by 8, with respect to water, the value of r is that there is option. But this is spherical, but I can say hollow spherical cell. Bacha, this is at the equilibrium condition, beta. Just equate buoyancy force is equals to beta. What I can say, beta good. MG bacha, buoyancy force beta. This is beta very common mistakes done by the students. Also, I have seen in today classroom. Many students did this is a wrong mistake. Everyone wrote this side also minus, this side also minus. No, beta. This buoyancy force acting on this surface only, bacha. Yes, sir. It did say. Yes, beta. Yes, you correct, beta. You correct, beta. So now, beta, you can say, beta, this is the condition here. Beta, just row, beta, volume, beta, just take, beta, spherical part only 4 by 3, 5 RQ into G, beta, GG cancel, beta, further, you can solve, beta, party. There is a relation, beta, specificity, we can use, beta, party. Okay, and beta, finally, we'll get here, relation of R. Beta, just, beta, I'll take, beta, 30 seconds because one boy will go to write tomorrow exam. Beta, just give some tips here. I wanted to give some tips beta for these boys. Okay, yes, beta. And everyone also be motivated here. I'm giving you some tips of this one. Definitely he'll get benefit tomorrow. 100%. There is no beta, I can say, like doubt. Beta, just do beta this topic here. Just revise the formula only. Beta, ji, go on channel for this point. Right. You are also at this point now. Beta, go in and watch beta. There is a beta formula which I wrote beta. I can say for KTG, beta free time. And beta, I can say there is one beta, this is mean free path, beta from KTG. Beta, we remember this formula. Then beta, I can say, bacha, remember, bacha, this is beta, till now, they didn't ask my dear, I can say, beta, range concept, beta, from, I can say, 1D. Right, bacha. So what is the possibility of range, bacha? I can see I wanted to tell bacha, but range is the maximum. Beta, what you can see theta beta is 45 degree. Beta range formula you can remember bacha, this is what 2 beta ux u by g. Beta, till now I didn't see at this question beta because I was beta. You can go and watch beta. I already solved all memory based questions which already exam has been finished, right beta. So here beta they didn't ask till now. Beta, they didn't ask till now beta power formula application. P is equals to F into V. Beta, these all which I said highly important for tomorrow exam. Highly important, bacha party. Right. So beta, everyone here, I can say, bacha, just beta, do question this one here. This is highly required, bacha ji, right? Beta, this is highly required, beta ji. Yes, beta. So beta ji, I can say for this condition, beta, this is the question. Next, beta, I can say, beta, from rotation. Rotation, beta, they asked torque. Beta, they didn't ask beta CRTM. Beta ji, they didn't ask beta CRTM, beta. Combined rotational and translational motion, bacha. They didn't ask bacha what is this concept. Beta, we concentrate these questions. Beta, I can say, bacha, from node here, I can say, bacha, they asked one questions, node and anti-node. But beta, they didn't ask this question here. Beta, for a standing wave, beta, this kind of formula, beta, right? They didn't ask bacha party. One more beta, I can see they can repeat bacha these questions. Beta, this is I can see VRMS. Is what my dear 3RT by M. Beta, one more question here. That is question from electrostatics. Beta, ji, I can say questions from beta electrostatics. No, beta, maybe you remember. This is beta questions. Epsilon R upon epsilon is equal to beta 1. Right, beta. So, beta, this is kind of question, bacha, I can say highly required, beta. Beta, just keep in your mind, bacha. I can say, bacha, after this, bacha, I can say, uh, beta, do some question here. I can say electrostatics. Yes, beta. In electro, yeah, that is a question, bacha. This is a beta format of question. No, beta, there is, I can say container. Beta, till now they didn't ask, but they can ask, beta. It's highly required, beta. It's highly required, beta. I can say, beta, what's the question, my dear? There is a beta pendulum. This is the condition, bacha, right? But the angle remains same. Angle remains same, bacha. Beta, you can see if this angle also theta, this also theta, bacha. Beta, I can say this is what initially beta they are in air. Beta, this is the question here. Beta, this initially beta they are in air. Beta, step two, bacha. What you can say? Step two, beta. What? Beta, finally, beta. This is what you can see. Bacha party. Basically, bacha, I can say liquid. Then beta, we have to find what? Beta density light. Beta, this is the formula, bacha. Then beta, I can say don't forget here. Beta, till now they didn't ask these questions. Maybe one time ask. Beta, they will repeat again here. They will repeat beta again, bacha party. This question, my dear, beta, I can say square of time period. Beta, what? Directly proportional to bacha, what you can say? Radius to the power 3. Then beta, terminal velocity are directly proportional to what? Radius per bacha. Beta, till now, beta, they didn't ask beta. Viscous force formula. FV is what? 6 pi eta RV. Yes, beta. This kind of thing, beta, highly required, beta. Right, beta. I can say, beta, this is the beta highly required, beta. Right, beta. So these are the things, beta, which I said. Definitely will get here. I can say two to three questions from here only. Beta, don't forget, beta. I can say, beta, this beta question from beta TD. Beta, the questions from beta thermodynamics here. Beta QP means beta. This is what you can say NCP delta T. NCP beta delta T. Yes, beta. So these all things, beta, just you can note down, beta. For tomorrow, beta, be I can say calm during writing paper, beta. Before answering, beta, options, beta, just cross verify your answer more than two times and try to, beta, I can say there I can mark correct answer only because after examination hall, maximum student, beta, I can say shared experience. Sir, oh in hurry, sir, I forward, I bubbled wrong answer. So that we maintain everything and beta, all the very best, beta. All the very best. Yes, beta. All the very best. Beta, just tomorrow, beta, join and just beta share your experience. Beta, tomorrow, beta, join again, beta, and beta share your experience, beta. Right. Beta, if you are feeling well in all aspect, beta, share my beta, I can say like channel to your friends, family, beta, so that maximum student can get beta benefit at physics point. Okay, beta, one more question here. Beta, we see here this question, bacha. Beta, there is very high probability here. Everyone is staying here, bacha. Please like beta video, beta. This is the highly required here. Your support. बच्चा जी this question बच्चा I can see beta question beta ask in JEE 2020 beta this question definitely they will ask beta ji this question definitely they will ask tomorrow right so what question bachcha party you can say the difference in height h what in you can say bachcha in centimeter of a liquid at the center of vessels and the side will be okay you know what's the question here beta I'll prove bachcha first beta I'll prove your result then bachcha I'll this you can answer me anyone from all of you so what, my dear? This is the beta solution of the questions. You know, beta, this is very practical thing here. Maybe it was, I can say, when he was like 5 or 6 year old, na, he was doing there is a glass of water, then you are doing like this, right, beta? Then you are beta, your finger doing like this, bacha, then because now you didn't, but now you can analyze. But I know this is the final shape of water. This is what, my dear, final shape of water. Right, Bacha ji? Okay. So, beta, they ask beta what here? What is the pressure height? Now, beta, you are basically rotating your finger over here, Bacha. So, you can see, my dear, this is what, my dear? This is what? Basically, omega. So, Bacha ji, this height we wish to find. So, beta, I know here. Beta, for linear variation, what you can do, my dear? You have to move x and take element dx. My dear, you have to move x and take element dx, right? So beta, you can do beta for PhD for this one year. Beta for this more clarification here, I'm telling beta this condition over here. You have to beta x. Now beta, you can see this mass is what beta is dm. This mass beta dm because you are doing operation beta for a small element. So you can see this is what dmg beta due to gravity. Beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. No, beta, if anything base is revolving on a circular path, beta, you can write this is what beta is. This is what, my dear? This is centrifugal force here. I hope all of you remember. Anyone, beta, tell me from all of you, beta, if any particle which is revolving on a circular path, beta, what is centrifugal force? You can see, beta, dm omega square. Beta, what is radius here? X only. So you can say, my dear, this is dm omega square into x. Beta, let us suppose these two are 90 degree. So beta, I'm considering this angle is theta. So beta, this is 90 minus theta beta. You can say, my dear, this is what basically theta. This is what basically theta. Beta, you can take component here. So beta, what you can say? This is dmg cos theta beta, dmg sin theta. My dear, this is what? Beta dm omega square beta, it's the force again. You can see beta, this is what? dm omega square cos theta beta, dm omega square sin theta. You can beta see carefully diagram beta. You can just make diagram like this. Beta, this is dmg cos theta beta, this is what? dmg sin theta. So you can write, my dear, this is what basically dmg sin theta. You can tell, my dear, this is what beta dm omega square x into beta g cos theta into beta is cos theta. Beta along tangent, you can equate these two forces. Along tangent of beta free space surface of water, you can equate these two tangent vector. So you can write, my dear, along tangent, this is dmg sine theta, which is equals to beta dm omega square x beta g cos beta. You can say beta this dm finish beta g. You can write, my dear, tan theta which is equals to omega square x by g. I hope all of you know here. It's the basic mathematics. Beta tan theta I can replace by what? dm by d by dx beta. Tan theta beta, I can replace this is what dy by dx is equals to omega square x upon g. Beta, just beta, just separate, apply beta concept of variable separable. My dear, apply beta party concept of variable separable. Uh, Tomorrow beta, just same thing I'll repeat beta. Same thing I'll repeat beta in the classroom. Beta, this is omega square x. That's why now you're staying in live session, so you have to answer me all the questions quickly. Make notes with me only, beta. Yes, beta, both of you. Beta, this is beta, this equate beta body. So beta, they can also say here, y as a function of x beta. This is the result here. J asked multiple time. Beta, this is the result. Beta, ask J multiple time, bacha. So beta, you can see beta, dy is beta y only. So this is what dear? Omega square x square by 2g. Simple here. Omega square x square by 2g. Uh, okay, fine, beta. So this is by Wechsler party. Yes, you correct, beta. Beta, this is beta equation beta for this is free surface. Simple, beta. You got equation here. Beta, just know what's the result, beta. According to beta, this question. Beta, R is beta what mentioned? 5 centimeter here. So you can simply find beta. Pressure difference, this height. By is beta height only beta. What you can say? Omega square by 2g. And next beta replace beta 5. So this is what beta I can say. This is what 25. So what's your answer, my dear? Everyone, tell me which option is correct beta. Which option is correct beta? Any option is available? Any option is available? Anyone? All of you right here in chat box. All of you right beta in chat box. Okay, very good. Very good, beta, my dear. Correct, yeah. Option C is correct, my dear. This question, no, beta, I solved because of some student was previously was I can say staying in live session. So this question there is a very high probability, my dear, will get to come tomorrow. Okay, good, my dear, beta, good both of you, beta. Now, beta, have a look here. Next question again, beta. This question again, yeah, highly important. I don't know this why beta I can see staying in the meeting or not. But I know this question asked beta by J multiple time here, but it's a good question here. Variety of this question, beta, I did in today class. Not just like that, beta. So, beta, what's the question here? You can say, sir, okay, beta. This all thing, beta. This, I'm doing all question. Application of buoyancy. You beta joined late. I started class beta around you can say 9:40 or 9:50 around 9:50 which you joined beta class too late. You were I can see you are too delay. So beta in today class they go and watch entire lecture. I'm solving here only and only with yes similar question. Yes beta. So, beta, in this class, beta, I can say beginning of class till now, I'm trying to just convey everyone how can you apply concept of buoyancy in the numerical. That's all. So I have taken what variety of numerical, my dear. Yes, textbook impossible, yeah. How beta possible in textbook, yeah. Note down all the questions and respond me tomorrow in the classroom. Beta. Now, yeah, have a look beta solution of these questions here. So, what beta question number seven here? Beta, what question number seven? Tell me, beta. Have a look here. Once, beta, I'll read the question statement here, everyone. What, my dear, in the questions? Uniform cylinder of a length. These all are J questions. Means you are also preparing for J questions only, na? Why just you are just telling this kind of a statement? Beta, uniform cylinder of length L beta and mass M having cross-sectional area A is suspended with its length vertical from a fixed point. You can say, bacha. You can tell, my dear, this is spring. This is spring, bacha. This is what? Suspended to beta. I can say there is a cylinder. Beta, this is the question basically here. Yes, beta. So, beta, I can say suspended beta with its length. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. With its length, beta, vertical from a fixed point by a massless spring, beta. This is the fixed point, beta. Beta, you no need to take what is mass of the spring, beta, such that it is half submerged in a liquid. Okay, you can take beta this entire setup. You know, beta. One time Jay asked this question without data. Without data, beta. What's in the question, beta? You can say this is half a part of the what, beta? I can say this cylinder. Half a part of beta. You can see for this cylinder. Give me a second. Say, beta Jay asked beta multiple times this question, and it's a good questions here, right, beta? So, beta, just listen carefully, everyone. Beta, previously they asked question without data. So beta, they just give mention like increase, decrease like that. Beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. But now what says half a part of beta cylinder. You can see beta, this is what L by 2. L beta entire length of cylinder beta, right? L by 2 beta, what you can see this is what entire inside of the water. Beta system says here. uh, half submerged in a liquid of density what? Sigma. Beta, what was what you can say? What is the density of cylinder here? Beta, what you can say? Density, liquid of density, not cylinder. Bacha. Liquid density, bacha. What they mention? This. Beta, listen carefully, bacha. Party, everyone. I'm not in hurry here. This is sigma, bacha. Party. At equilibrium position. Okay, system, beta, equilibrium. Beta, do underline. Do underline, my dear, at equilibrium position. The extension x naught of this spring when it is in equilibrium. Okay, simple beta. You can do beta. It's not tough here. Beta, what you can say? Beta, make ABD. Beta, if you will make ABD here, so what you can write? Sir, spring force also acting in upward direction because the spring force acts along the spring only. So this is what? Beta, I can say Fs. Beta, this is what? Beta, cylinder. This is dipped in a water. Due to this, beta, I can say, sir, buoyancy. Buoyancy force, we know it's a thrust force. Always, this one also acts what? In upward direction, my dear. You can say, bacha, entire length is equals to what, my dear? This is what mg. That's all, beta. Already the main system is in equilibrium. If system is in equilibrium, beta, student, if system is in equilibrium, at equilibrium, beta, spring constant, beta, you can take beta k. You can take beta spring constant k, my dear. You can take beta spring constant k, my dear. At equilibrium beta, you can see here total upward force is equals to bacha ji total downward force beta. So you can write, my dear, this is buoyancy force plus beta spring force, which is equals to mg, not kx, sir. That is spring force beta. You ask spring constant k, my dear. You are telling correct, my beta. Spring force you can write beta z kx only. This is correct, my dear. Right? You asked beta spring constant. That's why I replied you beta. You can take beta k only, beta. So beta here beta, I'll write here. Beta buoyancy force. Buoyancy force beta. I hope all of you remember here. Otherwise, again I'm writing beta. Beta, God bless you. Now beta, you can see beta. Buoyancy force beta. What you can say? Rho Vg beta. Sigma beta. This is V into G beta. V is what? You can take beta A is the area of cylinder beta. And L is L by this much part beta under the water, my dear. So you can write buoyancy force is equals to, my dear, sigma into beta G. This is L by 2 into A into G beta. This is the buoyancy here, right? So you can write, my dear, over here. Sigma beta into beta L by 2 into A into G plus what's spring force beta? This is what you can see kx naught. Beta, they mentioned here something something. Uh, okay, x naught s beta. You can take beta kx naught is equals to mg beta. Mg you can write beta remains mg here because answer in terms of mg beta only. So what you can see beta? This is kx naught beta. Solve beta further here. This is what, my dear, mg minus beta sigma l by 2. This is ag. This is what what's party AG. Now beta you can say for this condition here, beta just beta do cross multiply. You can write beta x naught is equals to twice of mg minus sigma al into g by 2k. By beta what you can say 2k. Beta further beta just take LCM here. Beta take common mg from here. So, bacha, you can say x naught finally, bacha. This is what, my dear. You can also rewrite expression, bacha, because there is no option like this. So, you can say, my dear, this is mg by k into 1 minus, this is what, density into a into L by beta 2m. Any option is there, my dear? Write in chat box, my student, everyone. Any option is there, beta? Any option is beta available? Write in chat box. Any option is there, beta? God bless you for beta your reaction. Okay, options D. Okay, oh, very good. Means you are learning, my dear. I'm very happy to see her. I'm very literally, beta. I can appreciate here. I can appreciate, beta. Literally, you are doing very good job, my dear. Okay, very good, beta. Now, beta, have a look, beta. Next question, beta. This is what questions number 9 up to date class. Beta, this is very good, beta, very good. I'm proud on beta, both of you. Both I can see today class, both of you active only. Yes, beta. Very good. Beta, do this question here. Beta, I'm giving you bacha party. Beta, 1 minute here. Beta, I'm giving you bacha. This is what 35 seconds, not beta 1 minute. You can do bacha this question here. Beta, 35 seconds. Beta, this is. You can see beta, it's a break. Beta, do beta this question here. Do this question, then you will go. Do this question first, beta. Everyone, do this question fast, beta. Then you'll go. Or everyone, those are present in live class. Everyone, do this question. Beta, do this question here. After 20 minutes, beta, I'll just beta stop live session, beta, for 11th class. I'll start 12 o'clock, 12th class, beta. Right? Do everyone here. I'm giving you beta 30 seconds or one beta. Do everyone fast here. This question. Anyone? Can you answer me, please? Beta, I'll sleep around 3 o'clock, beta. Hmm. Yes, beta. Beta, do fast everyone this question here. Anyone from all of you? Okay. Now, beta, I'm going to solve this question here. Beta, I have a class here of 12th class. I'll be live, beta, at 12 o'clock again for 12th class, beta. 12 to 2:30. I'll be live, beta, for 12th class here. Okay, fine. Beta, you know what is the measure point, beta, for this question, my dear? This question asked by J 2024, 2023, and 2022. There is a very high probability, beta, you all of you will get this question for this week. Or I can say J can repeat this question, beta, in coming mains days. Okay, coming beta main examination. Now, beta, have a look everyone here. Again, here it's good question, beta. Student, it's a good question. What question telling, bacha? You can say, beta, a small ball of mass m, density rho, is dropped in a viscous liquid of density rho naught. After some time, the ball falls with a constant velocity. Okay, beta, do underline, my dear. Ball, beta, falls with what, my dear? Constant velocity. What is the viscous force on the ball? Okay, beta, we used to find viscous force. No, beta, you can, beta, viscous force, you didn't. Viscous force, beta, you didn't. But I'm telling you, beta, you can connect viscous force, beta, like that. Not exactly, beta. You can connect viscous force, beta, like air resistance. I hope all of you got it. What I wanted to tell you. Now, beta, I can say, beta, you can take care. This is what? Water. You can take my dear. This is what I can say, beta, water. Okay. Now, beta, I can say, beta, this is the water. Yes, beta. No, there is, beta, you can see material, which is what? Coming down. So, beta, if a system is coming down, beta, beta, say, then air resistance what? Beta, this is what? Let us suppose velocity is V. So, beta, you can see for this condition, beta, party, air resistance what? Acting, beta, in upward direction here. So this is beta. You can say if if you are moving under the liquid, so force acting in upward directions. One is beta what you can say buoyancy force, and one beta another force beta. God bless you for reason, my dear. This is you can say, my dear, it's a viscous force. What, my dear? You can say this is what basically viscous force beta. Okay, fine. Now, bacha, simply you can beta equate these two forces, bacha. System is in equilibrium here. Because why? Who is beta coming down? Who is I can say culprit who is acting in downward direction, bacha? This is what? Nothing what? You can say mg. Beta, what you can say mg. Now, beta, I can say system is an equilibrium, my dear. Beta, I can say at equilibrium. Beta, you can say at equilibrium. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Total upward force is equal to beta total downward force. Beta at equilibrium, you can say bacha total upward force is equal to bacha the total downward force. Uh, Beta, God bless you for your beta valuable words. Now, bacha, you can see at equilibrium bacha party. This is FV plus beta FV is equals to what, my dear? This is what mg. So beta, you can write here viscous force, which is equals to beta mg minus beta. Correct, correct, correct. FV. No, no, no. My dear beta, I can say you can say beta FV, not FV beta FV FV. No, one is beta FV. FV beta what representing? It's a viscous force. So you can write, my dear, FV plus FV beta is equals to mg, my dear. We wish to find beta viscous force. You can say beta mg minus FV beta. Okay, fine, 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 my dear. So this is what you can say beta FV. FV beta what? Mg beta. Mg. And beta, what is Fe bacha? I hope all of you remember here. This is rho Vg. Now, bacha, you can write here mass. You can take beta, this is what? FBR density into volume. So density beta, you can say material. Into beta, what you can say? This is what? Volume into G. Minus beta density into V into G. Beta, you can take Vg common here. You can take beta, this is what? Vg common. So what beta? Density of material minus bacha density of, you can see bacha, this is what? Liquid or linear. Okay, beta take common bacha, density of material. Then beta what you can say? Volume upon density of material into G into beta 1 minus density of liquid upon beta density of material. Beta here, just beta, I'll write final part here. You know, beta, mass upon what? Density of material of a party. You can say beta viscous force. Beta, this is what? Remains beta mass on linear. You know, everyone. Density is what? Mass by volume here. So beta, this is remains mass here. So FV beta, I can write this is what? Mj 1 minus density of liquid upon beta density of mercury. Means beta material, it's not mercury beta. So literally, someone already answered here, option B. Very good. I'm happy to see, my dear. Very good, beta. Happy birthday. Okay, correct, 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 my dear. Now, beta, I can say this is beta one more last question. Yes, beta ji. So this question asked in JE 2008. Beta ji, these questions, yes, 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 you beta, you answer beta. I'm really feeling proud here. I'm really feeling beta proud on you, beta party. Answer me beta these questions. Which of the following is beta true? Okay, which of the following is true beta for row 1, row 2, and row 3, beta? Beta, God bless you. Can I sleep? Yes, yes, beta, this question go and do. Beta, this question answer me beta and go. Beta, this is the easy question, beta. Go and beta sleep. Yes, beta. Go and sleep, beta. Beta, this answer, beta, this question only. Beta, this, beta, I wanted to explain once here. This is the liquid one, beta. Density is rho 1. Liquid 2, beta. Density 2, beta. This is what rho 3. Beta, according to this, beta, just you have to answer me, beta, everyone. Which option is correct, beta? Which of the following is true for rho 1, rho 2, and rho 3? Which of the following is true for rho 1, rho 2, and rho 3? Yes. Yes, beta. Okay. Anyone answer me? Okay. Which option is correct, beta? Anyone from all of you? Anyone from all of you? Okay, is it A? Okay, I'll see. Hmm. I'll see. Hmm. Alright. Very good. Good, 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 good. Good, beta. Good, beta. I got answer here. Very good. Yes, beta. Both of you, beta, you can go here, take rest here because beta, tomorrow we'll go to school, beta. Go, beta, both of you. Yes, beta. Hmm. Beta. Now, beta, have a look at this question here. Beta, have a look next question बच्चा party. So what's better next question here, everyone? Attention बच्चा party. So this is again beta questions which you can do बच्चा. Beta, what questions is? Beta, a person. Beta, this is a beta kind of questions. It's a beta good level of question, my dear. Right? Yes, beta. God bless you, my dear. Devin. Beta, God bless you, Sagar, beta. A person can change the volume of his body. But listen carefully here. I don't want to tell right options here, like statement of questions. A person can change the volume of his body by taking air into his lungs. Okay, but the volume remains constant. The amount of change can be determined by weight of the person underwater. If a person underwater weight, okay, beta, this is data here. Person beta underwater, student, person beta G under water weight beta. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. This is 200 Newton. What, my dear? This is 200 Newton. Now, partially full lungs. Now, beta, what you can say? Partially. Beta, God bless you, bacha. That's, either beta, Devin, physical class or online class, bacha. I'm trying to connect a student here, right? No, due to this, yeah, no, pan India, everyone in front of you only, you already I can say, seen all the things, bacha, right? Very good, bacha. So, beta, now, partially, beta, then what? I can say, beta, 200 Newton. And beta 400 Newton beta what with empty lungs, right? Find the change in body, find the change in body volume due to breathing, right, beta? So you can say beta this is beta for partially. Now beta I can say beta 400 Newton. Beta I can say this is beta another data. Beta partially 200 Newton, 200 Newton with beta you can say partially what beta? Partially full lungs. Partially beta full lungs. Right. And beta, you can say 400 Newton with beta empty lungs. Beta, you can say this is what empty lungs beta. Right. Okay. Beta, what we used to find here? Find the find the dear. Find the change in Find the change in body volume. Find the change in beta body volume due to breathing. What, my dear? Due to beta. Bye. Good night, my dear. Due to breathing beta. Due to breathing bacha party, right? This is a question here. Beta, have a look beta. Solution, everyone. Student, everyone look solution here. It's a beta good questions here. Okay. If volume of body with empty lungs is V, beta, like consideration here. Let us what I can take. If beta Z volume of beta you can say body with empty lungs. Beta with empty lungs beta. Let us suppose I'm calling it's V. Right, bacha? No, but then what you can say, beta for empty lungs. Beta, what's the force mentioned here? Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. It's beta 400. It's literally, it's a good question. For advanced, it's not for mains question, bacha. Now, beta, means already I finished. Now onwards, beta, I'm taking a beta numerical for beta advanced only, bacha. Now, beta, if volume of the beta, this is my own consideration. We don't know what is this. Beta, I'm considering here if volume of body with empty lungs is V. That's all. Beta, this is the condition. Okay. Then, beta, what you can see, beta, again, yeah. Buoyancy, beta. You can write beta body. This is what? Beta, weight of the body minus beta body. What you can see? Buoyancy force. Rho Vg, which is equals to dear mind 400 Newton. Say beta equation number one. Say equation number one. Now, beta, another beta I can say, you can take beta. This is step one for this question. Now, dear, I'm considering this is step two for this question. Beta, if you can say if V1 is, my dear, if V1 is what? Body volume. Beta, if V1 is what? Body volume uh, with partially beta. With beta what? Partially full lumps. Beta what? You can say partially full lumps beta. Beta be used. Right. This is what my dear same equation here. Mg minus beta, I can say this is rho remains fixed beta. This is V1 into G, which is what beta? How much mentioned? This is 200 Newton, my dear. Right? Okay, let us suppose I'm calling beta equation number two. Beta just beta subtract these two equations. Beta just subtract beta these two equations. Beta subtracting. Beta in step three, my dear, subtracting beta G, subtracting beta what equation first minus second, right beta? So you can write, my dear, this is V1 minus V into beta rho G is equals to beta. This is what? 200 Newton only. Now it's a rho for liquid here. We know everyone. So V1 minus V into beta liquid we can take beta 1000. G beta you can take 10 here. Don't worry. Now beta party this is what? Beta 200. This is beta you can say cancel. So you can write, my dear, V1 minus V is equals to 2 upon 100. This is nothing but beta 0.02. 0 beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. 0.02 meter cube. So beta, this is the best to find, my dear. It's a good question here. It's a good question, my dear. This is basically the best to find. What beta, you can say find the change in body volume. Find the change in body volume due to breathing. So beta, this is the answer, my dear, for this question. 0.02 meter cube. Beta is 0.02 meter cube, right, beta? So this is a good question, yeah. So keep in your mind. Now, beta, I can see here in this class here, I'm just beta trying to do more numerical based on buoyancy force. Okay, hi sir. Devils. Yes, actually, ma'am. Uh, sorry to say, this is a live session. Please, ma'am, this is a live session. Your kid is literally very good in all things, ma'am. Display, response, asking questions in all aspect beta. Sorry, ma'am, your son literally good. Devin literally very good. There is no doubt at all, ma'am. Yes, beta. So, beta, just have a look beta next questions. My dear, have a look next question here. So, student, here, beta, I'm going to use here the question based on beta same thing only. Yesterday, beta, I solved one questions. Beta, yesterday, ma'am, you welcome forever. Now, dear, I can say this is the question, bacha. Yesterday I solved this question same by different logic beta. There is a string, right? But now bacha, beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. Student, here I'm using beta, this is spring. Beta, this is what I can see spring. Now bacha ji, I can say for this condition. Yes, beta, this is the block. Beta ji, this is the block. Beta, this block beta now connected to beta spring. This block beta now connected to beta, I can say spring. Beta. Yes, beta, spring only. What's the thing beta? I can say a cubical block beta, right? Beta, you can say edge. It's a beta cubical block. Students, you can say beta, it's a cubical block. Side beta, you can take, my dear. This is what beta 3 centimeter. Beta, which is what floats in water. The lower water surface of the cube it just touches. Lower, just touch beta. Lower surface of water cube beta, what just touches the free end of a liquid. Just lower beta. What free end of the liquid? Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. Okay, vertical spring beta. At the bottom of the container shown in the figure, find maximum weight that can be put on the block without weighting it. Right, beta? Okay, beta, what we have to find? Find, find beta J. Find beta. God bless you, dear, my for your reaction. Find beta. This is beta J maximum weight, maximum weight that can be that can be put that can be beta I can say put on the block on the block without 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 wetting without beta wetting it, right? Okay, beta, density of food beta you can take density of wood beta wood, that is what, my dear? 800 kilogram per meter cube. Beta, you can take spring constant beta. This is K. My dear, 50 Newton per meter. You can take beta. This is G, which is 10 meter per second square. Okay, someone joined here, I can see. Uh, beta, write your name, beta, please. The stone. Tomorrow is my exam, sir. Okay, all the very best. Happy to see, bacha. Morning shift, the exam. Okay, fine. Beta, just now here I suggested you someone here. I can beta suggest you same thing, beta. Just now, beta, I suggested here of your one boy already asked second shift beta exam. So you can do beta these all questions there. Beta, just remember QP formula beta from thermodynamics beta party. Beta, B remember epsilon beta R upon epsilon which is equals to 1 beta. Beta KTG beta, there is a formula here. Now I'm forgetting exactly. Beta mean free path and beta mean free time. Beta, we remember here. Go and watch previous video of physics point. You will get here. Beta this formula. Now, bacha, I can say rings beta till now they didn't touch. My dear student, till now they didn't touch bacha range formula. So beta be prepared beta. Just keep in mind formula of range 2 ux uy by z beta. God bless you for reaction, my dear. Beta till now they didn't ask here. A power formula. Power is what? F into B bacha. So beta they can ask. Till now bacha they didn't ask CRTM. Beta till now they didn't ask beta CRTM here. So it's beta highly important. Beta keep in your mind. Beta, they didn't ask directly with this formula, velocity of beta, I can say standing wave, root of t by m, bacha. They can ask. Beta, we remember what VRMS formula, root of 3 RT by m, bacha. It's highly required. Again, beta, one more thing, bacha, I can say square of time period. Square of beta time period, what I can say, this is what RQ, bacha. Again, beta, they already asked indirect way, but there is a probability they can ask, they can repeat. Next, beta, I can say this is what FVR. FV, bacha, 6 pi eta RV. 6 pi eta RV. Beta, there is one more question, bacha, they can ask beta tomorrow. Beta, this formula here. I can say there is a pulley. Beta, this is a rotation formula here. Uh, thanks. Beta, God bless you, beta, all the very best. Beta, this formula, beta, also remember here, beta, you. Beta, this is what? M2 minus M1 into G upon beta M1 plus M2 plus beta I by R square. Beta, till now, in J mean beta, they ask two times beta. Beta, they ask beta, J means two times here. So beta, there is a probability beta, they can ask this question beta, right? Effective mass. Yes, my dear, effective mass you can take it as M1 into M2. Yes, beta, you can take it. I can see beta, just we remember here, entire KTG, my dear. Beta, before we part of tomorrow exam, beta, just revive beta, just during sleeping time, beta, now. Beta, KTG, don't forget beta. KTG, beta, thermodynamic, beta, party, I can see unit of K, beta. Unit of thermal conductivity of beta, I can say that is here. Thermal conductivity. We remember, bacha, they are already asked beta once time. Beta, till now, they didn't ask bacha. One thing, not ask sliding on a plane. Yes, beta. Yes, you are also correct. They didn't ask any single question. I can say rotation on inclined plane. Beta, we remember beta this formula here. Acceleration beta formula for inclined plane. A is what beta? They didn't ask here this question. G is sine theta beta upon 1 plus k. Beta, they didn't ask beta this formula here. G is sine theta upon 1 plus k beta. They can ask. Beta G, they can ask this formula. Highly required bacha. Because I can see shift, how many shift were completed here? You can see. So beta, they didn't ask this formula. They can ask. This pattern of question bacha, they also didn't ask. Rolling on, yes, beta. Rolling on beta, you can say inclined plane. Beta, these pattern of questions here, you can say like that, beta. You are releasing from here. There is, I can say, a ring, beta, then sphere, then solid sphere, then all. You release, I can say, one time. Then who will hit the ground first? Right. Beta, find, arrange the time period, arrange beta velocity. So these all are beta highly important, beta. So you can keep in your mind, my dear. So, but I can keep in mind my idea, right? These all things, bacha, party. Rest everything, bacha. I hope, beta, already you prepared, bacha, right? So, all the very best. Stay happy, beta, and keep calm, beta. Before, beta, I can say marking answer of the questions. The student check more than one times, right? Then, beta, you will get your, beta, very good rank over there. Yes, beta. Correct, beta. Beta, you will get very good percentage in physics. Beta, this is you correct, bacha. Terminal velocity, what beta? Directly proportional to r square. Beta, already they asked here more than one time in 2026 only. Beta, already they asked my dear 2026 more than one time, bacha. There is a probability beta they can ask beta. Already here I said bacha, they didn't ask beta viscous force. Beta, they didn't ask beta 6 pi eta RB. Yes, beta, one more thing, very interesting here. They didn't ask beta till now to original equations. Beta, they, you can say, I can say in Bernoulli's, you know how Bernoulli's, beta, in Bernoulli's, beta, they didn't ask too much questions, right? So be prepared, Bernoulli's application, bacha. All instrument like a venturimeter, a torch tube, beta, I can say siphon. These all are beta highly required. In Venturi, bacha, I can see, my dear, there is a point in Venturi here. Beta, no, maybe they can ask beta directly formula here in different name, bacha. P plus beta, what you can say? This is what? Rho GH plus beta G half rho VH square, which is equals to constant beta party. This can beta, this thing beta they can repeat. Beta, one more thing, bacha. This is beta highly required, my dear. Beta, they asked already, but they can ask again here. You can say there is a water droplet or water bubble. We have a five. We have a five. Beta, again say for entire, they are making a common or only one. So beta, for this condition, yeah, beta, they can ask the things, right? So this is beta all about. I can say for tomorrow exam, it's a highly important beta party. All the very best, my dear. Surface tension, yes, beta. This is a part of surface tension only, beta. Beta, this is a beta part of beta surface tension. Beta, I'm telling beta one more thing, yeah, so that you can beta remember in the paper hall. But I know in physics, beta, this is my own trick, my dear. Beta, this is my own trick, my dear, right? Bachaji, what is the SI unit of pressure? You can tell, my dear. Beta, if you're liking beta physics point class here, live class, please beta like, subscribe my channel. And beta, one more thing here, like video and just spread me beta among about your friends and family here. Now, beta, you can say, bacha, for this point, yes, beta, pressure. Pressure, beta, what is the unit, bacha, body? Unit, beta, pressure. This is, you can say, Newton per meter square. Beta, we remember here. You will give this kind of trick at physics point only. Beta, pressure remains same. Beta, I know in market hall, beta, in the market, usually, beta, I can say mall. There is, beta, no, I can say main door or whatever, any place. Mention, buy one, get one free. Now, beta, I'm telling in physics, learn one, get four free. Beta, what I said? Learn one get one five four free beta. This is beta. You can say SI unit of pressure. You can tell, my dear, stress beta. You can tell beta stress remains the same beta. You can tell beta this is the bulk modulus remains the same beta. You can tell beta what this is Young's modulus beta remains. Same bacha, right? So beta, these are the highly important, my dear. This is the very highly important bacha. Next beta, one more thing here. Beta, keep in your mind. Beta ji, this is spring constant beta ji. This is, my dear, beta spring constant. Or beta, you can say what? Stiffness constant. Beta what? You can say beta stiffness constant. Beta spring constant, beta stiffness constant here. Or beta, you can say spring constant, yes, stiffness beta and force constant. Yes, beta. This is what, my dear? Force constant. Beta, these three are synonyms each other. They can ask for chapati, right? So we remember the chapati, all the things here, and stay happy at home, bacha. Right. One more question here. I'll do. Then, beta, I'll stop this live session for 12th class, 11th class. After this, beta, I'll start here 12th class as well. Okay. So, beta, actually, I was doing this question here. So what question, my dear? This is, I can say with a cubical, I can say block, side width at 3 centimeter. Find maximum weight that can be put on the block without weighting it. But the density of wood, beta, that is 8 kilogram per meter cube. Beta, you can say beta means K for beta spring constant, that is what 15 Newton per meter. Beta. G beta, what you can say 10 meter per second square, right? So beta, you can say initially if beta submerge, right beta? If submerge beta, what you can say depth of the block, right beta? Is h. We don't know what is this, right beta? You can take care. Because they mention just touches the surface of water. Beta, what says just touches the surface of water, beta g. So what is age bacha of the cube? This is, my dear, you can say 3 centimeter. Right, beta ji? Okay. So, beta, let us suppose just initially submerge depth of the block, beta. Then you can say, beta, what? You can write here, rho Bg. You can write, beta, this is what, beta, rho Bg or, okay. So, this is what, beta, you can see, beta, this is 1C force is equals to mg. Okay, sir, I have almost all formula in my mind, but I don't know what to do. No, 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 you will do. We keep calm, beta. Send beta Hare Krishna. Beta, if you are getting nervous in the paper hall, beta, send Hare Krishna, Jai Sri Sham, beta. Mercy of Sham and Lord Krishna will help you, beta. That's all. That's all, beta, buddy. So you can see, beta, this is what? Beta, this is rho Vg, beta. Beta, this is what? You can see, beta, rho Vg is equals to, beta, this is what? You can see, beta, party. mg beta, this is mg beta party. Rho beta, this is what density of water beta. Volume beta, what you can say? LBH. So this is beta. You can say 3 into 3 into h beta because we are considering here there is what h height initially beta, which is under the water beta. So you can see density of water beta party 3 into 3 LBH beta into beta, what you can say g beta. What is the mass of the, you can say, cube? Density into volume beta. So this is what density of wood, my dear, into volume beta, what sides cube here. So 3 into 3 beta, 3 beta, you can say finished beta. You can say, my dear, G and G finished beta. So finally we'll get H here. H beta, how much? This is beta. You can see 3 into beta density of wood, beta density of wood upon beta, what you can see density of water beta party. So this is what 3 beta wood density 800 beta density beta 1000. You can see beta cancel. So this is what beta 24 by 10 beta. You will get here. H is what beta basically 2.4 bachaji centimeter. Beta, God bless you for reaction, my dear. I'm very happy to see your beta. I can say dedication, my dear. Okay, when a mass m is what placed on a cube, it is what completely submerged. Beta, you can see, my dear, this is what case one. Beta, this is what you can say case two. Beta, completely submerged. Beta, right? Beta, for this condition, what you can say? Beta, say me again. Beta, what rho bg. Beta, again you can say what beta 1c force plus beta. This is what beta you can say mass of wood plus beta extra mass here. You can say m1 into the bacha. That's all, yeah. Okay. So again here you can beta just put the 1c force. This is what beta volume beta size cube LVH into beta. This is what 10 to the power minus 6 beta because this is in centimeter, my dear. You can take beta, this is what? Density of water बच्चा party into beta, this is G बच्चा, mass of beta what? You can see beta, Uj plus beta, this is what? M1 बच्चा into G, my dear. G cancel beta G, right? So here you can see bachcha, this is what? Density of water beta known for us, 1000 here. So you can see bachcha, this is 3 into 3 beta, 10 to the power minus 3 bachcha, because no, this is what? 10 to the power plus 3 bachcha is equals to beta, this is what? Mass of water, my dear. Mass of food here. So beta, what is mass of food here? Cubical beta, that is beta density we can find bachcha party in terms of density bachcha. Okay, so this is what beta? 3 into 3 into 3 बच्चा into beta what you can say 10 to the power minus 6 बच्चा party into beta density of beta what you can say uch beta plus m बच्चा party just finally beta just solve everything from all sides बच्चा beta you can see 3 3 the 9 3 27 27 into beta 10 to the power minus 3 beta again you can say 27 into 10 to the power minus 6 density of beta which is mentioned that is 800 beta party this is 800 beta plus m finally solve beta will get answer something here whatever coming with party so let us suppose I'm considering x beta this is you can say in kilogram. So this is what I guess all about today live session beta for 11th class buoyancy application post. Today class I did only buoyancy application post. Tomorrow bacha I'll start beta I can say oscillation maybe right bacha. So beta all the very best for tomorrow exam. Now student I'm going to stop live session bacha for 11th class. I'll start with a 12th class live session for 12 o'clock.